So GoPro, got my GoPro going again. So I figured out that it's a USB-C cable, so I didn't really have to look for it. I realized that my Rogers boxes that I had have the same plug-in. So I said, hey, check if it works. It works, and we're Gucci again, right? So anyways, today I've decided I'm gonna do my, first off, I bought a rear fog. Bought a rear bumper fog. So usually I wouldn't go that route because I didn't really think about spending that money on that in the first place. So I ended up finding one for like 20 bucks. So I said, fuck it. Shout out to Clean Street. I seen they posted a used part 20 bucks. I said, yo, if it's 20 bucks, I'll get it because I do like how it looks. So went down there, made a drive, got it 20 bucks. So I'm making a template. Boom, I got all my cameras in the way. Let me get it out of the way. So made a template for the rear bumper. I'm gonna cut this out and then probably line it up on the bumper with some tape to angle where I like it and then go from there. Simple, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go in the garage. I did put the car back on jack stands because I didn't know how long it'd be sitting down. I didn't want it to be sitting on the suspension. So I just said, you know what, put it back on jack stand, but I'm gonna go outside, take it back down, and then get to the bumper, roll it out a little bit, and get to the bumper cut out. So this is just me, boom, on the paper. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out real quick. All right. Oh boy.
Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Test out them new boots.
Ah, there you goes. Yeah. Yeah. Nice car. All right. Ah, you know what? Your cord I found, you know. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take this car down.
Boom. Let's go.
Alright, she's on the floor. Gucci. Ruby's on the floor. Probably gonna roll her out. Jesus. It's on it?
No.
It's not on it? It's okay, it stopped. It's alright. It's okay, I'll put an next one there. Alright. Plug the G-Wagon in. That boy charger. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put the template on it in a spot where I want it. And then just go from that. So I'm gonna go grab that template. So I gotta find the middle of this. So I think, actually, you know what I could do to get the middle? Actually, just fucking fold it. That'll be the middle perfectly. Yeah, man, just fold it and that's the middle. So we're good there. I'm gonna get a marker and mark the line. That's the middle. So boom. With that being said, we know that this line right here is the middle. So boom. With that being said, my vision for this is just to bang it out with that line right there. So boom. So this being the line that's gonna be in the middle. Feel me? Get some double-sided tape on this. Got some tape. Just gonna throw this on.
No, baby.
And then I'm just gonna do it visually. I'm not even gonna go crazy trying to measure anything. I'm just gonna try and visually put it where I want it. Like right here. Don't touch, baby. So I'm lining up this middle line with this. With this, babe. Okay? And then from afar, mother, look at it. Nah, don't touch it. Come here. See, that's a good spot. Yeah, that's a good spot already. No? I think it should be more to the top than to the bottom. No?
It is more to the top than the bottom.
I know, but I think that's how it should be. Now let me give you a reference. Now, I never did no research or anything, but there's one picture in particular that I was looking at that I just kind of referenced. Look.
Okay, I see what you're talking about.
That guy has it too high, too much to the top. Huh?
Too high.
I think where it is right now is a good
That's
spot.
perfect, yeah.
Alright, so 1.5, and then this 1.5. Okay, is it even angle-wise?
Yeah? You're talking about straight? Does it look straight?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Going to do this is over, you know.
I know. It looks pretty straight to me.
Yeah?
Why don't you get a leveler? Can't get a leveler? Will that work? Why don't you have a leveler?
I do have a level. I don't know if it works. Cause I feel like, is the car even on level right now?
Just more so that
And a small one too. It's not leveled. It's gonna say, ah, God, Jesus. Yeah, the world's not leveled right now. Both all in.
Yeah, you gotta do the other side.
Huh?
How are you gonna do that? Are you gonna measure it
It's only on one side.
from the oh, you only do one side?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's what it's for. It's only one side.
Oh, cool.
You could do both, but I ain't do that.
Okay, that's fine. Well, I guess that makes the job a lot easier.
Okay, look, I'm gonna mark it now.
Okay, Daddy's gonna mark it now. Play some music. Play some music now.
Yeah, connect it on that then. Hey! Hey! You can't leave the garage. Go!
Bobby Brown.
Alright, so I'm taking my chalk now and I'm just gonna mark it. If this even marks, oh yeah, it is. I'm gonna now drill some 4 holes in the corners, not directly on what's gonna be outlapped, because that's the actual casing itself gonna be holding there, but I'm gonna do it a little bit before. All right, so from here. Okay, I'm gonna take the bumper off and bring it inside.
No, baby, no more for today. We're good. Sorry, babe. I thought I brought it. I thought I brought the battery. I swear I thought.
You brought it in.
I swear I thought I did. I swear. Something in my mind told me to bring it inside. I don't know what happened.
Bring it down to the mountain of car parts. Yes, baby, I hear you, mamas. Uh-huh. This is what I'm gonna do. Since I have it there like that, I'm gonna get the knife and kind of just trigger a smaller circle, I guess. Smaller, whew. I know a lot of guys try to use cutting tools for this, but I don't really have that with me. If I was to bring it to work or something, it would be, but I'm not fitting to bring a bumper to work. I like getting used to doing stuff in my own house, even though I have all the tools at work. And that's just me. So, yeah. Bumbalad. All right. Holy shoot. As lopsided as that probably is, it's a start. Okay, all right. So let's do a little bit more carving with the spot that it's at, and I'll be able to get it in. So let's just get at it. So pretty much everything is in a good spacing. It's just like the bottom has to get, you know what, I think I have some sandpaper somewhere. Whatever. Let's go at it and start sanding down the insides of that. You want that shit to be comfortable in there. Can't be getting squeezed, that's the thing. So you know what, I'm gonna take off or take this straight down. Yeah, take that straight down. I'm adjusting the gameplay now. So in the garage, got my little Dremel drill, I guess hole sander, whatever, circle sander, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna run it through spots where I think that it needs to be cleaned up. So Still, see how it's beveling this? That's what you don't want. So you know there's a little bit of tension on one of the corners. So, see this one, which corner could it be? Maybe like clean up this corner a little bit. I think it should be all right. Yeah, let's clean up the corners a bit. Babe, hurry up. Alright, so waiting for the wife to come out. She's a part of everything, so that's your opinion on it. My opinion on it, it's alright. For what we did visually, it's alright. Came out pretty darn good. My opinion, it's alright. It's alright. So I'm gonna show you guys now how it came out. My GoPro died. I realized my GoPro battery doesn't last as long as I thought it would. I'm gonna have to check up how long a GoPro battery is supposed to last for, but for the most part, it didn't last that long. So during the whole trying to figure everything out, going through, you know, sandpaper to the Dremel, from using the knife, it didn't take that long to get it done. It was just kind of like a little tweaking, which I didn't put on video. No point in me putting that on video. But as soon as wifey comes out here, I'll reveal it. Get her opinion how it looks, and then I'll show you guys how it looks and see what's going on.
Hi.
Alright, so wife's out here now. So,
What?
how's it look?
Oh, looks good. You put it in there already?
Yeah, it doesn't take long. Just have to, you know. It looks alright. I think it looks pretty much straight. Just like maybe the left side could go down a little bit. What do you think?
Yeah, but I don't think you should touch it though. I mean, it doesn't look uneven at all to the point where it's like, nah, you gotta fix that.
Yeah?
Yeah, you're good.
Let me show you guys what it looks like.
Bring her back inside. I'm gonna go draw her back.
Alright, so yeah, that's how it looks. I don't know if you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. It looks good? Look good, baby? Oh, she has a screwdriver to tighten the screw. Yo. Yeah, it's good. Thank you. So yeah, y'all see it. That's the rear fog right there. Installed. Come, baby. Come. Yo, I tried to put other shoes on her and she literally grabbed those and said put these on. I just got her these today. She loves them. But yeah, that's how it looks. It's not bad, you know. I don't think that it's like completely off or anything like that. You know, for the most part, I have to push and look back because from afar is when you're gonna see like it's off. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like where it's at right now, some people might be like, oh, it's a little bit off, but it's okay for the most part. Like wifey said I have to touch it, so I might not touch it, but yeah, that's how it's looking. Let me see if I can get any better light down there too. And I think I picked the actually good spot where it should be actually, so y'all see it. Y'all tell me what y'all think. She got a rear fog booty. Never had a rear fog. I always wanted one, but never had one because it was never something to spend money on. But yo, 20 bucks? Come on now, 20 bucks. I'm happy with that. 20 bucks, B. Jeez. Yes, baby. Looks good? Look at her. She's like, that's good from back here. Looks good? Yeah? The tail lights in this? That would be nice too, if I get the tail lights on that bitch. See if I can find these tail lights real quick. Just to give it a quick little full. Oh, here they are. Oh. Hey. Let's get a little tail light mock-up. Yes, I am going with the ambers. Not doing the fucking red and whites. This time around, I kind of like the color scheme I'm going. The ambers will rock nice with it. So definitely rocking the ambers this time around, my home. This time around, boy. Feel me? I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Damn, I love it. Love it. Before I forget, yo, like, comment, subscribe, yo. I appreciate it. I've seen the views going up, and honestly, I appreciate it. I even have people hit me up in DM saying like, yo, they like my content and stuff like that, and yo, I appreciate it, yo. I didn't think that I would be, you know, it's the small things that count. Like I'm not at crazy numbers, but for what I've been getting, like, you guys are showing mad love, and I appreciate that like 100%. So I'm gonna keep it coming.